Our company specializes in the development, customization and production of various security products. Below is the product catalog. There are smart locks, mechanical locks, smart doorbells, cameras, projectors, and so on. Now come to our workshop and equipment. We currently have 46 sets of die casting machines, 44 sets of mold processing equipment, 120 sets of CNC machine center. Machine automation has been achieved to the maximum utilization in our factory. We strictly implement quality inspection standards to ensure that every customized product can meet our high-quality requirements. Products that pass the inspection will be sent to you the first time. You can get in touch with us by the following ways: receive joint file, quotation, insurance of DFM report, trial mode, confirmation of sample, mass production.